Have you finished your research paper and now you're wondering how to actually publish it on arXiv? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to submit a paper to arXiv in 2026, step by step, including a few mistakes that first-time authors often make. First, what is arXiv? arXiv is one of the most popular free platforms for sharing research papers online. Researchers use it to publish preprints in areas like AI, computer science, mathematics, physics, and many other fields before formal journal publication. Step 1. Create your arXiv account. Go to arXiv.org and register. If possible, use your academic or institutional email because this can sometimes make the process smoother depending on your category and submission requirements. Step 2. Prepare your paper files. Before uploading anything, make sure your document is complete and properly formatted. arXiv commonly accepts source files like LaTeX projects along with figures and supporting files, and it generates the final PDF during processing. If you already have a PDF version ready, double-check that everything displays correctly. Step 3. Start a new submission. After logging in, click Submit and begin creating your paper entry. You'll enter your paper title, authors, abstract, and subject category. This step matters more than people think. Choose the category carefully because users often mention that selecting the wrong category can slow moderation or create submission issues. Step 4. Upload your files. Upload your paper package and wait for arXiv to process it. The system usually checks whether your files compile correctly and whether anything important is missing. Step 5. Review and finalize. Before clicking Submit, review every detail carefully. arXiv now places more emphasis on content responsibility, including AI-assisted writing, so make sure references, results, and formatting are accurate. Once submitted, your paper may go through automated checks and moderation before it becomes publicly available. So what do users think? Most researchers still consider arXiv one of the fastest and most valuable ways to share scientific work. The biggest advantages are speed, visibility, and free access. The downsides? First-time users sometimes experience moderation delays, endorsement requirements, or technical formatting issues. My final opinion? If you want to share research with the world quickly, arXiv is still one of the best platforms to learn in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and comment below if you want a full tutorial next on uploading directly from Overleaf to arXiv. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.